Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be trying out the baking soda hair remover. I have heard so much about it and I really want to try and see if it works for me, because if it works for me, that means I don't have to be buying any hair remover for myself, because I buy a lot of hair remover. Look at, I am very hairy. I don't know if you can see my hand, but I am very hairy. Like, I do like wax my leg every now and then. So that is my hand there. So this is my baking soda. That is my pot. I am going to add my water in it. So, and now I am going to add my baking soda as well. And then I am going to keep stirring it. Basically, I'm gonna keep stirring it until all the water kind of evaporate out. So I'm going to keep stirring it. So now everything has dried out, and I'm going to take it off the stove now. So guys, I started applying it all over my hand. I thought my camera was on, but my battery died. Anyway, so I took it out of the stove and I left it to cool down. And after that, I started applying it all over my hands where I have the most hair. And after applying it on my hand, I left it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, then I started wiping it off of my hand. So at this point, as I was wiping it off, and I can still see all my hair, like the look on my face, I was like, what is going on? I was expecting for some of the hair to be out, but like there's still all my hair on my hand, like not even one came out, or not even one is trying to come out. So all my hair, like I look at the wipe and there is nothing in the wipe. There is no hair in the wipe. So basically, like, it didn't work the first day. And I was thinking, like, because you're supposed to do it for 3 days, and I was saying, okay, like, it just the first day, like maybe when I do it for 3 days, it will remove my hair. But like at this point, there is no hair. Like you can see my hand, all my hair is still there. So at this point, there is no hair out of my hand. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I tried the baking soda hair remover to see how it will work for me, because I am a very hairy person in terms of my hand and my leg, and I wax myself a lot. That means I don't have to go buy hair remover. I can use the baking soda. So I watched a couple of the videos on YouTube, and basically you boil the baking soda, you put the water in the pan and then boil the baking soda and then apply it on your hands. And after applying it, you can leave it for about either 5 minutes or 10 minutes. For mine, I leave it for 10 minutes, and the mixture dried up on my hand. So, and then you use the wipe or the cotton wool wipe, and then to wipe it off. So I use wipe to wipe mine off. And the first, because like you have to try this for 3 days. The first day that I did it, I wipe it off. There was nothing, like there was no hair in the wipe. I was expecting maybe like a few hair the first day, but there was no hair at all. Nothing came out of my hand. Like there was not even one tiny hair drop. There was nothing. So I was like, maybe like because it's the first day, like if I do it the second day, maybe the hair will come out. So I tried it again the second day, nothing came out. I tried it again the third day, nothing came out. Like no hair. Like it was like my hair wasn't budging, like no hair. I have heard some people that it works for them, and I have heard some people that it didn't work for them. I'm one of those people that it didn't work for, because like not even one hair came out of my hand. Like I don't know if I can come closer. Like if you look at my hand now, like my hand still have all the hair in it. It doesn't look like I wax my hand or something. It doesn't look like it at all. So my hand, nothing came out of my hand at all. So I was disappointed, because like I have heard so much about it, and I was looking forward, like I was like, oh my god, this will be my lifesaver. But like nothing, not even one hair, nothing came out after third day. And I gave up after third day, because I'm like I'm not doing this if it's not working for me. So leave a comment below and tell me if you have tried it before, if it works out for you, because it didn't work out for me. Basically I applied it on my hand, I rubbed it all over my hand, and then I waited for 10 minutes, and then I wiped it all off, and yeah, nothing came out. So leave a comment below, tell me if it works for you, or if it didn't work for you, because it didn't work for me. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.